If you're running ads and booking sales calls, but half the people aren't showing up, you're literally throwing money down the drain. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact process I use to get show rates between 75 to 85%, which is 15 to 25% higher than the industry average. This is the step-by-step system we use at AdPush Media. And if you implement this, you're going to go see your show rate really increase and bump up. So let's dive in. All right, so step one is your Calendly setup. And I know a lot of people are reluctant to add questions to their calendar form because they think it's going to prevent people from booking. But here's what we found. The more questions you have, the more information people have to provide, the more likely they're going to show up, right? Think about it. If someone can't be bothered to fill out a form for 60 seconds, they're not going to be bothered to show up for a 60-minute, Zoom call or a phone call. Now the key here is to make it all multiple choice. Give them options to select from. Don't make them type hard, long answers or think too hard, because the second someone has to think, they get distracted, they click another tab and you lose them. The only open-ended question we use is describe your business or your business bottleneck, your biggest pain, where they can, get a little more specific. Everything else, multiple choice, right? Step two, this is huge, your thank you page. Most people completely waste their thank you page, but this is one of your biggest opportunities to increase show rates. Here's what most people don't know. Calendly appointments used to automatically add to people's calendars, but that changed. Now with Google Calendar and most major calendar providers, the event doesn't automatically get added. The event doesn't always automatically get added. What has to happen is the prospect has to go into their email and manually click add to calendar or click yes to the invite. And most people don't do this. So on your thank you page, you need a short video, no more than 3 minutes, telling them exactly what to do. Walk them through the process of clicking add to calendar, or I know the sender and their email. And here's the data. If people confirm through Google Calendar by clicking that email, the show rate is about 85%. If they don't, it drops significantly. So your thank you page video needs to explicitly tell them to go check their email and add the event to their calendar. That alone will boost your show rate by 10 to 15%. The video should also set expectations for what's going to happen on the call. Keep it short, keep it simple, but make sure they know what to do next. Step three is where most people completely drop the ball, which is personalized outreach immediately after booking. As soon as someone books a call, we send them a personalized video via WhatsApp or iMessage. This is not automated. This is a real person recording a 15 to 30 second video. If they're in the US, we try iMessage first. If they're in Europe or Asia or South America, we try WhatsApp first because that's what people use in those regions. The video is simple. It goes something like this. Hey John, it's Travis. I just received your booking form. I can see you're working on scaling your coaching business and you want to get more consistent client flow. We're really excited to chat with you. Just to confirm, your call is at 6 p.m. on Friday the 15th of this month. Can you confirm that that time works for you? What this does is two things. First, it adds a human element. There's now a real accountability to show up because a real person reached out to them. Second, you're reconfirming their time, so it's locked in their mind. And when they reply confirmed, you've got another confirmation point. If you can't afford to hire someone to do this, do it yourself. It takes, a minute to 2 minutes, and it absolutely increases your show rate. Okay, step four is your calendar invitation setup. Make sure your Calendly is set up to send calendar invitations, not just event confirmations. This makes it easy for people to click yes and actually add it to their calendar properly. We also send a welcome email directly from the sales rep through Calendly. This email includes a link to my YouTube channel to build trust, a reminder to double check their time zone, and another link to accept the calendar invite. The key here is we're very hot on call confirmation. We're trying to get them to confirm through 3 different sources: Google Calendar, the personalized outreach, and through Calendly itself. If we can get 2 or 3 confirmation points, the show rate literally jumps up to 80-85%. Step 5 is your reminder sequence. 2 days before the call, we send a reminder text and a reminder email. Both of them ask the person to confirm their attendance through Calendly and repeat the exact time and date. A lot of people mess up time zones or forget what time they booked, so we're constantly reminding them. Then 27 hours before the call, not 24, but 27, we send another Calendly confirmation text and another email. So you might think it's weird. Why 27 hours? Because if someone hasn't confirmed by that point and we're manually managing calls, we can cancel the ones that aren't confirmed before it's too late. At this time, the sales reps or whoever's taking the calls reaches out personally via WhatsApp or text with a voice note or video. But this time it's not asking for confirmation. It's more like, hey, this is Travis. I know you've already gotten a lot of messages from us. I'm not here to ask you to confirm again. I just wanted to introduce myself and say hello because I'll be taking care of you throughout this process, right? This builds a personal connection. Now this person is being held accountable to not only the automated system, but by 2 actual human beings that show up, right? Then 1 hour before the call and 15 minutes before the call, we send final reminder texts and emails. Just quick nudges to make sure they remember, and that's it. That's the entire show rate optimization process. If you implement this exact system, the multiple choice Calendly questions, the thank you page video, the personalized outreach, the multiple confirmation points, and the strategic reminder sequence, you can get your show rates from 50, 60% all the way up to 75, 85% with cold traffic. All right, if this was helpful, hit that subscribe button down below because I drop content like this every single week and on Facebook ads, on scaling your business, things like that. And look, if you're running ads but struggling with low show rate or inconsistent sales calls, we've helped clients go from 2x ROAS to 9x ROAS in a single month. We've also helped course creators scale past $2 million per month in sales. We've helped coaches cut their lead costs from $50 down to $19, even while increasing lead quality. If you want help building a Facebook ad system with show rates like this, you can book a call with us with a link in the description. We'll walk you through exactly how to set this up for your business. See you in the next one. Peace.